Hey yo, what is up everybody? Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. You are watching Tech It Simple YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Bank of England. For those people who do not know what bank is, this is basically a government Bank of England, so basically it's really big. It's like a commercial bank, and if you guys open account, and it's pretty advantages to you guys. It also provides you 0.1% rate on your savings account, and they provides 3.2% inflation rate, which is all the stuff you guys are going to know if you visit this official website. So if you guys want to know about it, you can visit off your website to log in into its online banking is pretty easy. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you, but before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on. You want to search for Bank of England and you want to write login over here. It will search for Bank of England online banking login and click on Ritz's Home Bank of England. Once you click on it, it's going to take you over here. You want to click on where it says login. Once you click on login, you want to go on the online banking sector over here and you want to enter your user ID. After you enter your user ID, basically it's going to ask for your password. And after you enter your password over there, you should be able to log in into your account. So as you guys can see, it brings you over here. After you enter your login ID, it's going to ask you for your password. After enter password, click on submit. You should be able to log in into your account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's been given signing up and